Now we all love Aventadors. Now that includes myself, my team, and all of you guys in the viewers and in the comment ship. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. Now today we wanted to showcase some more amped, high frequency, high pitch screams from these 6.5 liter V12s. With the introduction of the Revuelto and the car maybe not having the same luster as these Aventadors, we figured we'd do our part to make sure that this legacy of this wonderful vehicle ends up always being remembered. So this is actually not an SVJ. It might look like one, but it is not. It is my 2022 Aventador Ultimae Coupe. Now, bar the kind of ridiculous kit that we did on it, the Ultimae is not nearly as striking as the SVJ. So we did kind of an SVJ style kit. I did the roof scoop from 1016 and all that fun stuff. We polished the wheels. It's wonderful. But something that we didn't change was the exhaust. It's because this setup we've had on the car for about 5,000 miles. Huge flexibility, great sound, great enjoyment. Again, with this setup, we'd showcase why this exhaust is so special. This car has the equal length race pipes, heat shielded, and then it runs back into our rear section with that large cross-center X pipe that's been CFD analyzed to give you the best frequency to maximize the high pitch and give you no of the unwanted frequencies down low. And then of course you have the large quad-chambered muffler behind the X pipe, giving you massive flexibility. This car, you guys will hear from the sound clips, is extremely flexible. And that's what you want when you have a wonderful vehicle like this. I drive this car all the time. The reason why is because I can. No one hates me because when I close the valves, no one knows I'm there, and then when it's open, it's out of control. So, in the video today, we're gonna do flyby, startup, revs, the whole shoot match, really showcase the sound characteristics, GoPro footage as well, and really showcase how good this Aventador can be with the right setup. Again, whether it's SVJ, Ultimae, Roadsters, Coupe, you guys know where the best place to find the exhaust setup is for you, and that's here at Valvetronic. Let's get to the sound. Cars are very special. We know how special they are, and quite honestly, I drive this one all the time because it just works. But the big thing is you have to have a valve set up. It's so aggressive with the valves open that it's kind of undrivable. Especially these cars are not cheap. Like, you're gonna have a garage, you're gonna have neighbors unless you live out in the middle of nowhere. You have to have the valves. So right now we're driving with the valves closed, and the car is so nice because it's not so crazy loud to the point where it's unusable and not able to be enjoyed. So that's the first setup. Now, you guys have seen before, we've done a lot of Aventador content. There's a lot of really great systems out there on the market. Obviously, the standard being Gitani. There's a lot of great setups that are out there already. For the Valvetronic system, we designed, engineered, and tested to give you the high pitch through the equal length race pipes and that configuration. And then in the rear section, having that big muffler casing really allows for a lot of flexibility, and that flexibility just helps you enjoy the car more. You know, I was blessed when I got this car. I got the Carrera GT at the same time, and this car does a job very different from the Carrera GT. It's very easy and very able to be used, but you want that experience, and that experience comes from having a wild exhaust. We see the Instagram clips, we see those clips, so we know what this car is capable of. When you drive around with this setup with the valves closed and it's so relaxed, it's so nice. But of course, up high there, all the volume, all the cracks come back. And now listen, it's completely insane. Just nuts. And you get that experience immediately because it's bypassing the muffler and going through that large merge section that we've CFD analyzed to give you the most motorsport sound. Hear the resonance there, 6,000. And that sound continues all the way up to Revs, all the way up to 9. It's like such a howl behind you. And just like that, just with that one switch, you're getting all that incredible sound easily at the touch of a button. And that's the thing, is everybody says, oh, I'm just gonna get I'll get the cheapest setup, or I'll get Gitani or whatever. This setup, and in the price point that it occupies, offers the best flexible experience without compromise. Of course, the Valvetronic way. All the flames, all the fire, all the emotion. And it's right here with this setup. There really is nothing that offers the same pitch and flexibility. Listen. Just nuts. Doesn't get old, which is so enjoyable. The setup is so unique. There's so many different flavors of exhaust noise and that howl you can get out of this engine with the right setup. So, and also it's just a wonderful celebration of how much more special this car is than the V12. We've been able to make the V12 sound pretty good, but you don't get the same emotions. But listen, now
So cool. quiet in there.
To go back to, do you have your decibel meter?
It's like sitting right around 70,
yeah,
75.
Exactly. But like that's the nice thing. And a normal conversation, like I can whisper and talk to you guys. We saw somebody on the phone earlier as we like went past. We were ripping, and you could hear this car for miles. But as we come up, you know, the valves are closed, and it's like you're driving a stock car. And again, I get it. Like, this car is very, very special, and everybody wants the emotion, the drama, and sometimes people don't want to pay up for the best setup. And you know, people are welcome to spend their money however they like. But this setup is so special because of how unique it is, and also the flexibility. It's okay to have great sound, high pitch. You know, people want that, but imagine having all of that experience with no compromise. That's what we do. So I don't know about you guys, but that's as good as these Aventadors can get. Now, we know how special the setup is, we know how flexible it is, and again, as we kind of reiterated throughout the video, if you're gonna be fortunate enough to own one of these cars, you most likely live in a neighborhood, you have those neighbors who are gonna absolutely hate you if the car is so loud. It's up to us to be a little bit more respectful when it comes to enjoying our hobby. Now, we don't wanna compromise our experience, so having the valve setup like I use pretty much every day is really, really valuable. Now, again, we can have an argument about what sounds better, etc., but the systems like Gentani or like Secret Weapon Fab or this, they're really, really high pitched. That's, you know, most people are getting that sound. But Valvetronic seems like it's the only one that's really chasing after having an experience that's not compromised, because I drive around in this car with the valves closed and no one hates me, which is a really enjoyable thing. So the next time you're at the car show and people are like, oh, maybe Gentani's better, this is better, this is better, always remember that there are wonderful systems on the market. There are fantastic systems engineered and developed by many companies out there. But if you want the best flexibility and have that crazy sound, you know there's only one place to find it, and that's here with us at Valvetronic.com. Thanks so much for watching.